Hello, my name is Deepal and today's video topic is encapsulation in Java. So Java encapsulation is a powerful mechanism to storing the data members and data methods of the class together. It is done in the form of the secure field accessible by only the members of the sum class. And encapsulation in Java refers to the integrating data and code into single unit. In encapsulation, a class variable are hidden from other classes, and class can only be accessed by the method of the class in which they are not found. Encapsulation in Java is an object-oriented procedure and combining the data members and data methods of the class inside the user-defined class. It is important to declare this class as a private. In encapsulation, the standard IDs uh, provide inbuilt support for getter and setter method in which increase the programming pace. Uh, Encapsulation presents access to data members and data methods by any external classes. Uh, the encapsulation process improves the security of security of the encapsulation data. In Java, encapsulation changes made to the one part of the code can be successfully implemented without affecting any other part of code. The data in encapsulation, the data hiding is a procedure done to avoid access to the data members and data methods and their logic implementation. So the data hiding can be done by using the accessible specifiers, like data hiding is a producer done to avoid access to the data members and data methods and their logic implementation. We have four access specifiers. Like in encapsulation, we can have the four access specifiers like default, public, private, and protected. So first one is a default. We can similar to the default is a similar to the public access specifier. The public second one is a public, so it can be accessed from anywhere within the program. Third one is a private. The private access specifier provide to access the data members and the data method limit to the class it can access within the program. And next one is the fourth one is the protected. So the protected access specifier within the it is access to within the same class, same package, and same subclass. So these are information about the encapsulation. Thank you.